Hello everyone, I am from Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. We are presenting cultural bridge between Maharashtra and Odisha. In this content is introduction about the state's sport, festival and cultural dance. Introduction. There are many cultural similarities between Odisha and Maharashtra. In both the places, the festivals are giving importance throughout the year. There are some festivals like Lord Jagannath Rath Yatra, which is in Odisha and not in Maharashtra. Nowadays, Ganesh Puja take place in both the places with full fanfares. Ganesh Puja take place in almost every school in Odisha, which is also happen in Maharashtra. There are many festivals such as Pola, which is known some other name in Odisha. There is also similarity in food habit in both places, but there is a little difference in the food and their diversity. About Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a state in the western region of India. It is the second most populous state after Uttar Pradesh and third largest state by area in India. Maharashtra, being part of India, boasts of rich cultural heritage. The cultural and legacy of the state is truly reflected throughout its numerous forts, places, caves, shrines, and museums. The Sant and philosopher who have graced this great land have also added to its historical inheritance. About Odisha, located on eastern coast of India, adjacent to Madhya Pradesh in the west and Andhra Pradesh in south. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Language spoken in Odisha is Oriya. Odisha consists of 30 districts and 33% area is covered by forest area. Culture of Maharashtra. To explore Maharashtra tourism, you must understand its culture. Marathi is a native language of Maharashtra, also the boast of vast cultural heritage. Lord Ganesha is the most revered god, but all religions and cultural find a place of importance on the land of Maharashtra with their sites and movements. Traditional clothes like kurta, feta, and dhoti for men and sari choli for women. Traditional dance forms reflect my richness and diversity. One of the most interesting among them is Poda. You will be memorized by the performance that revolve around Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Culture of Odisha. The Odisha culture has three-tiered structure with inheritance and interpolation. First is trouble, second is flock, and third is urban or classical, which excite side by side, enriching and enlarging the cultural dimensions. Odisha has the largest variety of tribal communities in India. These have contributed a large deal in making rich the history and heritage of Odisha. Sport in Maharashtra. Maharashtra sports are essential part of Maharashtrian culture. In Maharashtra, cricket is considered the most popular sport, but kabaddi, field hockey, kho badminton, and table tennis are also widely played. In the state rural region, wrestling championships such as Hind Kesari, Maharashtra Kesari regular taken place. Among young in the state, game like Vitidandu, Pakda Pakdi are also popular. Sport in Odisha. Sport is an important part of culture of Odisha and hence it play a key role in development of Odisha. Field hockey, athletic, tennis, rugby union, rugby sevens, associations, football and cricket is the most popular sport in the Indian state of Odisha. It is also called as a sport capital. The Kalinga Stadium in Bhubaneswar hosted the 2018 Men's Hockey World Cup from 28th November to 16 December 2018. Festival in Maharashtra. The Maharashtrians are a vibrant, earthly people for whom life itself is a celebration. Small wonder that all festivals in Maharashtra are celebrated with abundant fervor and enthusiasm. This time provides a unique opportunity to absorb Maharashtrian culture with all its color, custom, rituals, and tradition. The various festivals celebrated here are Nagpanchami, Narali Purnima, Gokulashtami, Gudi Padwa, Pola, and last is Makar Sankrant. Fairs and festivals of Odisha. Major Odisha festivals are Jagannath Puri Rath Yatra and Durga Puja. Three different religions flourished on the highland of Odisha, those making it mandatory to celebrate various religion Odisha festivals with great fanfares. Odisha cultural and religious festivals are very famous in India. Maharashtra dance, gift with its rich cultural and tradition. Maharashtra has different types of dance forms. Povoda is a dance form that showcases the lifetime achievement of the Maratha ruler Shivaji Maharaj. Lavani and Kuri dance form entertains Maharashtrians. Dangari, Gaja, Dindi and Kala are the religions of folk dance. Odisha dance. Several folk dance forms evolved in a different religions of Odisha. Odisha and Chiu dance being some popular forms. Sambalpuri dance is the most popular dance of Western Odisha. Thank you.